Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Spider-Man suit is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after costumes for fans of all ages, allowing them to embody their favorite web-slinging superhero with incredible detail and authenticity, making it a fantastic choice for Halloween, cosplay events, or simply for imaginative play that brings the thrilling world of Marvel right into your home. Number 5. RUBIE'S DC Comics Deluxe Batman Costume. Step into the shadows and become the legendary Dark Knight. This costume brings the iconic Batman to life, ready for any adventure. Crafted with attention to detail, this deluxe outfit captures the essence of the beloved DC Comics character. Feel the power and mystery of Gotham's protector. Made for comfort and durability, it's perfect for Halloween, costume parties, or imaginative play. Your child can embody their favorite superhero with pride. This comprehensive set includes everything needed to transform into the Caped Crusader. Get ready for action-packed fun and heroic deeds. Give the gift of heroism with this incredible costume. It's more than just an outfit, it's an invitation to a world of justice and bravery. What we like. This costume offers a classic and detailed look for any young hero. It's perfect for those who want to embody the Dark Knight with a high-quality, recognizable outfit. If you're looking for a timeless superhero experience for Halloween or costume parties, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Fit is perfect, quality is actually really good. Cape flows dramatically during completely unnecessary moments. Voice gets deeper. Crime fighting includes yelling at siblings and patrolling the kitchen. Comfortable, durable, and impossible to remove once the mission starts. Very realistic. Grandson loved it. Number 4. Marvel Spider-Man Official Youth Deluxe Zentai Costume. Get ready to swing into action with the ultimate Spider-Man costume. This deluxe Zentai suit is designed for maximum heroic potential. Crafted from a high-quality two-way stretch spandex, this form-fitting jumpsuit offers incredible comfort and flexibility. It moves with you, just like the web-slinger himself. Experience a sleek, seamless look with our cleverly integrated front and back invisible zippers. They ensure a smooth, uninterrupted design for your heroic adventures. The costume includes a detachable spandex mask with realistic plastic eyes, completing your transformation into the friendly neighborhood hero. Made by Jazzwares, this is the perfect costume for Halloween or any occasion where a young hero needs to shine. It's designed for comfort and epic adventures. What we like. Experience ultimate comfort and flexibility with this form-fitting suit. The invisible zippers and detachable mask ensure a seamless and convenient transformation. If you prioritize ease of wear and a smooth, authentic look for your Spider-Man adventures, this is the one to get. What people say. The suit is made of a stretchy material that allows for easy movement and a comfortable fit. The printing on the suit is high quality and looks very realistic, capturing the iconic Spider-Man design. It comes with a separate mask that fits well and doesn't obstruct vision. Number 3. LEGO Adidas Original Superstar 10282 Building Kit. Introducing a legendary design, now in brick form. Build and display one of the most iconic sneakers ever created. Discover true-to-life features, from the famous shell toe to the signature serrated stripes. It even includes shoelaces for a realistic touch. This model is a fun and realistic tribute to the original. It's perfect for streetwear enthusiasts and LEGO builders alike. Looking for a unique gift? This building kit is ideal for anyone who loves collectibles or a creative building challenge. Standing over 4.5 inches high, this impressive model is ready to be showcased. It comes in authentic shoebox-style packaging. What we like. Build and showcase a legendary piece of footwear history. This model captures every iconic detail of the original, making it a standout display item. If you're a fan of streetwear, LEGO, or unique collectibles, this tribute to the superstar sneaker is an excellent project. What people say. The suit is made of 100% polyester, which is durable and easy to care for. The design accurately replicates the Spider-Man costume from the movie, including the web patterns and emblem. It features a hidden zipper closure for a seamless look and easy wearability. Number 2. Marvel Integrated Spider-Man Official Youth Deluxe Zentai Costume. Step into the shoes of your favorite web-slinger with this incredible Spider-Man Zentai costume. It's designed for ultimate comfort and heroic adventures. This officially licensed costume brings the iconic look of Spider-Man to life. You'll feel just like the real hero with its detailed design. Crafted from stretch spandex, it offers a snug yet flexible fit for all-day wear. The hidden zippers ensure a seamless appearance. With convenient wrist slits, you can easily access your hands for any heroic task. It's perfect for parties, Halloween, or imaginative play. Give the gift of adventure to any young fan. This deluxe costume is sure to be a hit for any occasion. What we like. Achieve a sleek and integrated superhero silhouette with this advanced suit. The hidden zippers and convenient wrist slits offer a polished finish and practical wear. If you desire a modern, streamlined Spider-Man look with attention to functional details, this costume is ideal. What people say. The design looks awesome and the quality is better than expected. It fits well and is very comfortable for kids to wear. Great quality. 3 kids, 2.5 years later, and this costume is still going strong. It's a thinner but sturdy material, really soft with good stretch to it. There is a crotch zipper for easy bathroom going and it's so well hidden that it took me actual months to notice it. This is a one-piece footed costume with non-slip soles. He can take his hands out of the attached gloves through cutouts at the wrists. The realistic mask is included but it isn't attached. The stretch in the material makes it easy for him to pose, squat, run and play. Number 1. Marvel Miles Morales Spider-Man Youth Deluxe Costume. Swing into action with the Miles Morales Spider-Man Deluxe Costume. It's designed for ultimate comfort and heroic adventures. This costume features a true Zentai design, offering a full-body fit that lets you move like your favorite web-slinger. Crafted from high-quality stretch spandex, it provides a snug yet flexible fit for all-day wear and dynamic poses. Enjoy a seamless appearance with hidden zippers that ensure a clean and authentic superhero look. The convenient wrist slits allow for easy access and added functionality, perfect for any young hero's mission. This is an officially licensed Marvel product, bringing you the quality and authenticity you expect for true fans. What we like. Embrace the unique style of Miles Morales with this comfortable and authentic costume. It features the signature look of the popular web-slinger, complete with practical hidden zippers. If you're a fan of this specific Spider-Man character and want a well-made, easy-to-wear suit, this is a great option. What people say. The suit is a full-body suit with a zipper in the back. The mask is separate from the suit and covers the entire head. The material is stretchy and comfortable to wear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.